Hey, thanks for clicking. Today on HISD Now, we're at Lamar High School for Campus Close-Up. We're celebrating seniors who've already earned a college degree even before leaving high school. Plus, a final reminder on PreK enrollment, and we're hiring with pathways to help you get certified. It is Monday, May 11th. Well, we're at Lamar High School this week for Campus Close-Up. So Lamar is one of Houston's most diverse campuses. The school offers a strong IB program to a variety of CTE pathways, programs all designed to get them ready for college and careers. Now, we got a tour of the campus this morning with Miss Roxanne Ravensway. And from the classrooms to the campus grounds, Lamar is connecting these students to so many unique opportunities. Take a listen.
So when they redid this, we had east and west building here and a swimming pool, but we didn't have fields. And so the students had to go to other schools or other places to practice and to have games. So we really wanted to make sure that we had a facility where everything was here for our students.
And Miss Ravensway showed us so much more. We got an inside look at the robotics classes, computer science classes, and even the school's ag program. We'll be highlighting them all right here all week long on the channel and across our socials. And last week we were at Milne Elementary. Now we got to share some incredible stories about the academic growth happening on that campus and what it means for students, staff, and school leaders. Those stories are up on our socials, so if you're part of that school community, be sure to check them out. And here's a big congrats to some of our seniors. Close to 550 HISD students graduated with their associate's degree through Houston City College this past weekend, weeks even before they walked the stage for high school. Now, it's an incredible accomplishment and one that can save families thousands of dollars in college cost. And it's just one more example of how our students are getting a head start. And for families with little ones, you can start early as well. Don't forget that phase 2 of PreK School Choice is still open right now. Now, during this phase, parents can join waitlist and some students may still be offered a seat. Just keep in mind that current HISD students won't be able to apply after this phase closes. If you have any questions over any of this, be sure to come out to our last PreK Festival of the year. It's happening this weekend at Mickey Leland from 9 a.m. to noon. At these events, you can apply on site, meet with campuses that still have seats available, and talk directly with school staff and get your questions answered. And for parents with students planning to play sports next year, don't forget, free sports physicals are coming up on June 5th. HISD is partnering with Memorial Hermann to make sure student athletes get the medical clearance they need for the season. Now, families, be sure to bring your completed paperwork, including the Memorial Hermann packet and a sports physical form from your coach with a parent or guardian signature. Families, this is a friendly reminder to check your child's summer school notification. If your child is required, recommended, or invited to attend, you'll receive both a physical letter and a survey link in Parent Square to confirm attendance, campus assignment, and transportation needs. Now, please take a few minutes to review the information and complete the survey as soon as possible to secure your child's spot. Summer school runs from June 10th through July 17th, Monday through Friday. Keep in mind that campuses are centralized during the summer, so your child's assigned school may be different from their home campus. For help, contact your summer school campus or the Family Connections Center. And as we continue looking ahead to next school year, we're also hiring. And this weekend is your chance to join the team. On Saturday, May 16th, HISD is hosting a district-wide hiring event at Del Mar. You can come out, apply, meet directly with school and district leaders, and learn more about certification support and available opportunities. And speaking of, maybe you're thinking about becoming a teacher, but you're still in college. Or you have your degree, just not your certification yet. Or maybe you're coming in with an associate's or even from another country. Now, right now on our Facebook page, learn more about how HISD is working to meet you where you are, with flexible pathways to help you get certified and into the classroom. As more people take non-traditional paths into teaching, the district is focusing on building that pipeline by offering support, competitive pay, and real training to help you succeed. Now, we've got this infographic up on our Facebook page with much more information. You can also read more about this, a very in-depth article that is about ways that you can teach in HISD. It's up right now on the district news page. I'm also going to drop a link right below. Our Family Engagement Office recently hosted a panel as part of the Parent Leadership Academy. It's a 15-session program that helps families learn how to better connect with their child's school, speak up for their needs, and make their voices heard. Now, in the final session, parents presented their own ideas directly to district leaders, sharing real ways to improve their schools. Now, the goal is to make a real impact on student success.
And one of the things that we are doing is really helping them to understand better what the district is doing, why we're making the decisions we're making, helping them kind of understand and ask and answer their questions about curriculum or activities or what we're teaching teachers and what principals are doing in the classrooms. And we're trying to give our parents as much context and knowledge about how the school district works, how their school operates, so that they know how to best plug in.
And coming up this week, these parents will be celebrating a big milestone, graduating from the program. To learn more about the program, you can contact our Family and Community Engagement team at 713-556-6928. Well, that is it for today on HISD Now. Thank you so much for connecting with us, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow. Have a great evening.